I got something very exciting from Target today that I always wanted. And that Garbage Pail Kids BNS 3. You heard me mention my big search for them and I finally got it. I already reviewed my limited edition, but now I'm going to have an unboxing with the amazing packs. Alright, let's get started. I hope we get a good card. I got 2 value packs here. Ready? Here we go. Cryptid Chrissy. Rhinestone Rachel. Torn Rip. Popped Ivan. Tasted Tony. Roy Bot. Blind Date Danielle. Minnie Martin. Lon Sean. Flushed Francis. And Clothespin Caleb. Let's keep going. Might get some dupes from the second pack. Ooh, Loud Melody. Leggy Lee. Amusement Pocket. Let's Go Lenny. Evil Edward. I don't even get this one at all. I don't understand that one. Upton Stream. Menacing Dennis. Bound Flynn. Oh, I think this is the bonus one. Because I never saw it before. Harry Hannah. Ooh, a black. Mechanic Al. Tiny Tim. Backed up. That was good. Let's see what the second pack gives us. That was nice. We got a Power Round black. Oops, I had to cut that again. Oh yeah. We got Cat Lady. Papa Paula. Abominable Ape. Beta Brooklyn. Shadowy Stem. Love Struck Chuck. Toilet Tommy. Tape Dispenser. Boney Johnny. Pat Zach. And Submerged Susanna. And last splat. Might get some dupes, who knows? Horsey Henry. Hetty Hall. Sylvester Shutt. Lisa Miserable. Beehive. Fresh Fred. Cut Kanye. Nutty Noah. Ooh, look. We got an atom bombing. Leonardo da Vinci. And look, we got another bonus. But this time, instead of whatever it was, what was it? I think it was over here. I'm not sure. It's Mary Shelley and Large Marge. Bacto. No dupes. That was pretty good. Pretty good. I'll probably get some more later. But in the meantime, that is a pretty good haul. That was really pretty good. Alright. Bye.